ஓகே, ஹியர் இஸ் வாட் இட் இஸ். நான் அந்த ஒரு ரீடிங்கை வச்சு அந்த ஒரு இதை வச்சு எவ்வளவு கொஸ்டின் கேட்ட பாருங்க, எப்படி இது பண்ண பாருங்க. இதுதான் அந்த கான்வர்சேஷனை கொண்டு வரணும். எஸ் புவனேஸ்வரி, டு யூ லைக் வாட்சிங் மூவிஸ்?
Yes, sir. I like to watching movies.
When was the last time you went to the movie theater?
I went to see my last movie is Manjumal Boys.
Okay, Manjumal Boys. Where did you see the movie?
I saw the movie in
ஊர் பேர்
Karaikal, sir.
ஊர் பேர் என்ன?
Karaikal.
Oh, Karaikal. You saw the movie in Karaikal. Wow. It was not released. It was not released in Nagapattinam, is it?
Sir,
It was not released in Nagapattinam. அது
sir,
ஏன்?
நான் அத தியேட்டர்ல பார்க்கல சார். நீங்க தியேட்டர்னு கேட்டீங்க ஆனா.
All right, you saw it in Karaikal. You went to Karaikal to see the movie.
காரைக்கால் போனேன் சார். ஆனா தியேட்டர்ல பார்க்கல சார்.
அது இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசலாமே. All right, all right. Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, sir. I listen to music.
Who is your favorite music director?
My favorite music director is G.V. Prakash.
What is one song? Just tell me one song which you like most from G.V. Prakash album. One song that comes to your mind, quick. What is the name of the album? One movie name. Just movie name is enough. Or song name. What are you doing now? Let's switch. Bhuvaneshwari, what kind of games do you play?
Sir?
What kind of sports you play?
I play chess.
Oh, do you play chess? Very good. Why do you like chess?
It is a brain improving game.
Wow. Who is your chessmate? Who is your chessmate? To whom do you play with?
My chessmate is my brother.
Is he younger or elder?
He is my younger brother.
Brother, what is he studying?
He is studying in 12th standard.
What is the name of his school?
The name of the school is Government High Secondary School in Tirumaragal.
Wow, Tirumaragal. Is it a taluk? Tirumaragal, is it a taluk or not?
No, sir. Is it not taluka?
It is not a taluk, is it?
It's in Ondriyam.
It's a union. It's a block.
Yes, sir. Union.
Okay, it's not a taluk. Which taluk do you come under?
In Nagapattinam Taluka.
Oh, you are in Nagapattinam district and also Nagapattinam taluk.
Yes, sir.
Both are same. Yeah, one last thing. Do you play the computer games?
No, sir. I don't like it.
Yeah, why don't you like it?
Because I does not play any computer games.
Okay,
sir. Because I do not play any computer games.
Very, very good. Very good. Good job. ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு பிக்சர் வச்சுட்டு இதுல ஒரு half an hour பேசலாம். half an hour பேசுறதுக்கு அவ்வளவு பெரிய ஸ்டஃப் இருக்கு. ஆனா கரெக்டா நம்ம வந்து அந்த கேள்வி கேட்டு கொண்டு போகணும். ஏன்னா சோ இப்பயும் சொல்லுங்க, மஞ்சுமல் பாய்ஸ் எப்படி காரைக்கால்ல போய் எதுக்கு பாத்தீங்க?
சார், நீங்க தியேட்டர்னு கேட்டது எனக்கு புரியல சார். நான் ஆக்சுவலா தியேட்டர்ல பார்க்கல. அந்த क्वेश्चन நான் கேட்ச் பண்ணாம விட்டுட்டேன் சார். நான் லாஸ்டா பார்த்த மூவி வந்து மஞ்சுமல் பாய்ஸ் தான். பட் அது காரைக்கால்ல பார்த்தேன். தியேட்டர்னு சொல்லவும் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிட்டேன் சார்.
ஆல்ரைட். தியேட்டர்ல பார்த்த கடைசி படம் என்ன?
அது பீஸ்ட் சார்.
ஓகே, பீஸ்ட். ஓகே. ஆல்ரைட். long ago, right? Almost 2 years now.
Yes, sir.
ஆல்ரைட். யாராவது ஒருத்தவங்க வர முடியுமா? 8 நிமிஷம் இருக்கு. யாராவது ஒருத்தவங்க வர முடியுமா? ஸ்பீக்கிங். கார்த்திக் ரெடியா இருக்கீங்களா? விடாம பிடிச்சிடலாமா?
Okay, sir.
Super. Do you listen to music, Karthik?
Yes, sir. I do listen to music.
So, what is your favorite? Who is your favorite music director?
A. Rahman, sir.
Why do you like A.R. Rahman?
It's an energetic song. Music is very well.
Superb, energetic, superb. Do you watch movies, Karthik?
Yes, sir, I do.
So, what kind of movies you like? Action movies or sentimental? What kind of movies do you like?
First of all, family subject name.
Fantasy. Very
And
good.
fantasy.
Fantasy.
Hollywood movies.
Tell me your most favorite movie. You love watching that movie. You watched many times. What is the name of the movie? Go for it. Go for it. Whatever movie you like, that has to come from your heart. It's your movie. It's your favorite movie. Don't have to worry about anything. But like you love watching the movie.
I love subject. I love the Jeans movies. Tamil movie.
Wow, Jeans, Prashant.
Prashant and Aishwarya, Shankar direction.
Wow, it's long back, 1998, which is about like 26 years.
Yes.
Do you like that movie? Why do you like that movie?
It is a wonderful subject, and the world most places is teams.
All right. Okay. How many times you would have watched?
7 or 8 times.
Wow, 7 or 8 times. Very good, very good, very good. So A.R. Rahman is also a music director there. Very good. All right. Do you like reading books?
Yes, sir, I do. I do like reading
What kind of books you like to read? Fiction or non-fiction? What kind of books?
the comics and storybook.
Oh,
I like.
storybook. Wow, storybook. Do you read it in Tamil or English?
When I was reading Tamil, sir, now
Right.
I can read English.
You want to read it in English. You would like to. Very good, very good. What about computer games? Are you interested in computer games?
The computers are interested, but computer games I do not interested.
You do not have interest. Why you do not have interest?
So watching movie and songs again
Yeah, songs and movies.
Interest.
You don't like a lot.
interested, sir, but game not interested.
Superb. What about sports? Have you played any kind of sports when you were younger?
There's so many, sir. First of all, I like carrom board. Second one, cricket. Third one, kabaddi.
Wow,
So,
first one, what was the first one? What was the first one?
cricket, sir. Sorry, carrom board, sir.
Carrom board. Wow. Do you play well at that, right? You play well. You packet a lot of those carrom
Yes,
coins.
sir. Yes, sir. When I was college days in sport academy, the year on the final sports meet, I can won the second runner, sir.
You won it. You won it. Wow.
So fully interested, sir. Cricket, carrom board is my favorite.
What is the name of your college?
Dr. Nolan Engineering College.
Where is it?
At Toludur, sir.
Can you repeat? Where is it?
At Toludur.
Where is Toludur? Does it come under?
Kadalur district, sir.
Kadalur district. Wow. How many kilometers away from Toludur?
My living to 70 kilometers.
70 kilometers from Kadalur.
Kadalur.
Oh, such a big district.
79, sir. Or 50 or 70.
Okay, how many kilometers away from Chidambaram?
I don't know, sir. 20 kilometers.
You were there for 4 years. 4 years you were there.
Yes, sir, but I don't know.
You should know all that very, because that's a way you can talk to someone very nicely. If you know the distance, if you know the nearby city, you can have so much to talk. You'll have so much. I like Chidambaram, I like Kadalur, I like Pondicherry, and all that area. I really like it.
Correct, sir. I like Pondicherry. So many times I go to Pondicherry and shopping and everything.
Very good. So you like carrom, you like cricket. Who is your most favorite cricketer?
Sir, first Rahul Dravid, sir.
Can you repeat? Who is your most favorite cricketer?
Rahul Dravid, Indian cricket.
Oh, Rahul Dravid. He was a coach. He was like middle order wall, big wall. He is.
It's a wall of Indians, sir.
Yeah, all of Indian cricket. Very good. Super. Karthik ஒரு கைத்தறல் கொடுத்துங்க. Very nice. Wow. இவ்வளவுதான் you have to really come out and talk. அவ்வளவுதான் வேணும் நமக்கு. சுரேஷ் சார், நாளைக்கு நம்ம பேசுறப்ப பேசிடலாமா? ஒரு வாட்டி நாளைக்கு பேசிடலாமா?
ஓகேங்க சார்.
Very good. Somewhere you have to really come out and just bang on it. 2020 cricket மாதிரி just don't leave it. மொத பால்ல இருந்து அடிச்சு அவுட் ஆனா போயிட்டு போறேன். இப்ப திருப்பி இன்னொரு கேம் வரப்போகுது, இன்னொரு வாட்டி வரப்போறோம். Everything is going to happen again. But start பண்ணணும். And I really like the way like அவங்க புவனேஸ்வர் வந்து ஹோம்ஒர்க் பண்றது அனுப்புறதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. இட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி நைஸ். இட்ஸ் வெரி வெரி நைஸ். சூப்பர். ஸோ நாளைக்கு வந்து ஒரு கிளாஸ் வச்சிடலாமா? 5:30 to 7, சாரி 8 to 9:30 வச்சிடலாம் நாளைக்கு. ஆல்ரைட்.
ஓகே சார்.
எஸ் புவனேஸ்வர், ஏதோ சொல்ல வந்தீங்களே?
கிளாஸ் வைங்க சார்.
என்ன சொன்னீங்க? I didn't get you.
Tomorrow class.
Yeah, we will have a class tomorrow from 8 to 9:30.
எனக்கு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்காக ஒரு வேலை இருக்கு சார். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் வீடியோ அனுப்பிச்சு விடுங்க சார், நான் அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணலாம்.
ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ நாளைக்கு ஸ்பீக்கிங் தான் இருக்க போகுது. Okay. I'll see all of you tomorrow at 8.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.